So if you were ever thinking about going bankrupt and concerned about what that might look like on you or to you, please don't be. You know, people end up in different situations all the time based on a whole lot of different circumstances. And, you know, bankruptcy is a word, yes, it may affect your credit file, etc., but if it takes the burden and the pressure, the intensity of the pressure off your shoulders, allows you to get out of a situation that may not be serving you in any way, shape or form, then absolutely bankruptcy is something that you could look at. It's an option, you know, and not something to be dismissed. And what will it make you look like? Like, really? If you're suffering under the burden of heavy debt, that makes you look worse. You are in, you know, flight or fight mode. You are not actually centered in yourself. You're not able to be who you are because the pressure of what you're going through is so great. So if you are under a huge amount of debt, you know, there are other options that are available to you, like the informal debt agreement kinds of things that we do. But bankruptcy is not something to be ashamed of. It's not something to be embarrassed about. If it sets you free, why not?